Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this short video you will learn how to create attractive and animated pop-ups in your WordPress website for free. I have a couple of videos about pop-ups, but this one is very special because these pop-ups are highly converting and have cool animations. Let's have a look at some pre-built pop-up templates that we can create using this plugin. Then we will see how we can install this plugin and how we can create pop-ups. And the plugin that we will be using in this video is Depicter. And by using this plugin we can create sliders. I already have a video about this topic. Then they have included pop-ups, hero section, navigation bar and carousels. We will explore them one by one, but in today's video we're going to focus on pop-ups. And these are the pre-built pop-up templates. If you scroll down you can see they have 89 pre-built pop-up templates. Now you can create a pop-up from scratch, or you can use any of these templates and you can customize it the way you want it. You can explore all these pop-ups by following the link in the description, which is this one. And due to Black Friday, they also have 70% off on Depicter Pro plugin. The link will be given in the description. Now let's explore these pop-ups. So if I click this one, this is the pop-up. Let me reopen it. You can notice the entrance animations are very cool. Let's have a look again. So you can create these type of pop-ups. Now you can trigger these pop-ups by click, by page scroll, or by page load, and so on. Let's go back. These are all pop-ups. These are for sales. Then exit intent. So if someone want to exit the page, this pop-up will appear. Okay. They also have a pop-up on this page that I'll show you later on. These are sign-ins and grow email list and so on. Let's open up this one also. And this is the pop-up that I was talking about. The Black Friday sale and up to 70% off. You can create a same pop-up using this plugin. Okay, let's reopen it. This is another one, and this is another one. So you can get the idea. Okay, and this is another one. So on the left side an image and then description, and I don't know, this is also a slider pop-up. And this is a simple one. Now let me show you how we can install this plugin and how we can use it. And again, to download this plugin, just follow the link in the description, which will take you to this page. Then click on download plugin, and this will take you to the pricing plans. Here you can scroll down, and these are the pricing for the pro version, and this is the free version. So for unlimited websites you are getting all these features. Okay, just click on free download. I will also explore the pro version later in this video. Okay, and your download will begin in a moment, and this will give you a zip file like this. I already downloaded it. Now let's see how we can upload this to our WordPress. Let's go to our WordPress website. By the way, this is the website that we will be using in this video. This is for booking, with a booking calendar. So if you need something like this, you can watch my previous video. Let's go to its dashboard, and to upload that plugin we'll go to plugins, add new, and upload plugin. We'll choose file, and I'll select the plugin. We'll open it and install now, and let's activate it. Once you activate it, it will take to its dashboard. Depicter, welcome to Depicter. Let's close it. You can just accept it, and again we can use this plugin for creating sliders, AI slider, pop-ups, navigation bar, carousels, and all these. And in this video we're going to focus on pop-ups only. Okay, so let's click on pop-ups, and it will open up all the pop-up templates that I showed you in the start of this video. Now you can start from scratch by clicking here, create a blank pop-up, or you can choose any of these templates. Now these templates are available in the premium version and some are free, like these. So you can pick up any of these templates and you can customize it. Let's go with this one. For example, I'll just click on import. SVG file is disabled. You can just enable it. Okay, and importing, and that's it. We have successfully imported this pop-up. Now we can customize it the way we want it. This is the pop-up builder area, and from here you can choose stock images. Then you can add text, videos, shapes, icons, buttons, and so on. And on the right side you can do further settings. Now this pop-up builder is very easy to understand, but I'll just go very quickly to show you how it works. If you want to see the animation of this pop-up, you can just click on play animation, which you can notice are already cool, but you can change them. And let's stop it. If you want to change this text, double click and then write any text here. Let's write something else just to show you, and we will change it to 70% off or something. And this is just a shape. You can click on it and you can change its color right here. Let's say this color. It's up to you. Okay, then you can click on this button. You can scroll down and change the button color here. Okay, this is the button height, rotation, then alignment, and here you can change the font family, weight, size. This is for this text. Okay, if you click here, you can do the same for this text. Then go to options, and this is the button name, and you can enable responsive resize for mobile and tablet. And if you want to hide this for desktop, you can just hide it, and you can also hide it for tablet or mobile. Okay, you can see this is completely responsive. Then on hover, you can change the text color, the background color, and also the border color on hover. Okay, now normally this will have this color, and on hover this will change the color. Opacity and scale, it's up to you. This will grow on hover. Okay, and enable our animations. So default is, you can change it over here. We will check this live on the website. Okay, then animations, so incoming and out animation, loop animations, and so on, that you can notice over here. And then action, so on direction you can select to go to a URL or show hide element, scroll to go to step, and close pop-up, and so on. So let's say go to URL and unclick. So which URL? You can write your URL here. Okay, edit it and write any URL here, and this will be unclick. Okay, that's it. So in this way you can customize a ready-made template, and at the end you can just publish it. And these are the display rules. So how you want to display your pop-up, just click on configure, and display condition is to add a condition. The condition will be to include WP post pages, archive pages, static pages, and so on, custom post types, and WooCommerce, and Addons, and so on. Okay, for now let's choose WordPress and a WP page, and all pages are only contact, services, home, and so on. These are the pages that I have on this website. Okay, so let's display this on all pages. You can add further condition as well. Okay, and visibility scheduling, you can enable this in the freemium version. We will cover this later on. Then triggers, so this will be on click. Enable it if you want to click any content or something. Okay, you can have wait for hover, scroll percentage, scroll elements, and spend time. Okay, so if I enable it, let's make it 2, so we will wait 2 seconds for it. Okay, and after close, never show it to the user, and show it again after return, and so on. Let's keep it. Let's save it, close it. Again we'll click publish now, and we already have configured the rules, so let's click on publish now, and this is now published. And let's preview it, and this is how it will look. Okay, so this is the website and this is the pop-up. Let's close it, and that's it. You can have replay and so on. So this was how you can pick a template and then you can customize it. Let's close it. Now let me quickly explore its Pro version. You can just click on upgrade to Pro, and in your case you can just click on upgrade now, and you can upgrade to the Pro version by buying any of their plan. Okay, and remember that they have 70% off these days. So just click on upgrade now. Okay, I already have their subscription, so I'll just click on I have a subscription. This will take me to the members area. Okay, you can see I have this Pro license for 3 websites. By the way, if you need it, you can just contact me, and I'll just click on activate. Then I will activate this license on this website. Okay, so I'll just click on activate now, and activation completed successfully. Now you are redirecting to your website. It will reload the page and will take me back to my website. And congratulations, now you have access to all Depicter premium features. Let's start, and let's go back to those templates, and this is my project that we just created. Okay, I'll click on pop-ups again, and now I can choose any of these pop-ups. Let's say this one. I'll just click on import, and we got a freemium pop-up that we can customize. Again, this is just an image, a text, that we can change and a button. Now you can customize it the way you want. Again, you can add stock photos, text, videos, shapes and so on. I am not going in much detail. These are very simple. Just click on anything, you can drag it, you can customize it, and you can change its color and so on. Okay, it's very simple. Then we have buttons, controls. You can add these type of controls. If you have a slider, you can add them. Let's try this one. You can notice the arrows here. Okay, let's change the icon color to white or something. Now you can see it. Okay, then go back to controls. You can add close buttons, navigation arrows, and circle timers, stories and so on. So it's up to you that how you want your pop-up. Okay, then these are some other elements like iframes, load animations and all these. These are some countdown timers, and now we have access to all these things. And if I go to publish and configure the rules, let's go to triggers, and now I have access to all these triggers. So wait for hour and scroll percentage. If I enable it, and let's say 50 and save it. Now if I publish this pop-up, and it's now published, let me visit the website to test it. Okay, this was the first pop-up. If I scroll down to about 50%, you will see another pop-up. So how cool is this? You can also notice the hover animations. So this is how you can use Depicter plugin for creating pop-ups, and you can create engaging and attractive animated pop-ups. Again, the plugin link is in the video description. Just click on it and you can buy the pro version now. They have 70% off. I hope you will find this video helpful, and to learn more about WordPress, just follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. Still, if there were any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.